Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another daily vlog. Today is a really good day because I just signed my first lease ever on my very first apartment. Like, I am excited. I'm so excited. So I just left Dollar Tree and I got a bunch of cleaning supplies, and Dollar Tree had some plates with like a marble finish on it or whatever. It was gray and white, but those are so cute. So I got some plates. They also had some bowls just like it, so I got the bowls. And they had some little coffee mugs as well, but I didn't get those because I don't really drink coffee like that, and I don't drink out of those. But yeah, I got some plates and some bowls for my very first apartment ever. Y'all know I'm gonna show y'all an apartment tour when I go back, but now I'm just gonna head to Target and get like, what I need to get? I need to get what was I finna go here for? See y'all, look, I'm gonna go to Target to get, I'm gonna get a trash can from Target, a cute little trash can for my kitchen, and something else. I forgot what I was gonna get from here, but I'm gonna go get like a bunch of stuff, and also a welcome mat because I gotta be extra. So my mama told me to get like a cheap couch on the more cheaper side for my very first apartment. So I was thinking about ordering one from Amazon, or because Wayfair takes too long. So I was gonna order one from Amazon, but it won't be here until like the 15th or whatever, and today is the 3rd. So that's cool and all, but I'm gonna go look at furniture today. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Target, and then when I leave Target, I'm gonna go look at furniture. Then see, I'm finna go home for the weekend, so I'm not gonna get any groceries because I still have my barracks room. I haven't moved out my room yet, so I'm gonna not get groceries or nothing like that until Monday, and I'm gonna start clearing my barracks room and stuff, you know. So yeah, I'm excited, man. It feels good to have something that you can call your own. Like, this my apartment, so whoever I don't want in my place, I can kick them out. And the fucking, like, nobody gotta come to my place and inspect my house like we do room inspections in the barracks. That is so lame. But I'm just excited. Like, this is my first time, my first experience. I pray it goes well, it goes good for my first time. But if not, now I have something to go off of. Now I know what to do and what not to do for my second go round. But yeah, I'm just so happy. Like, I'm thankful. But yeah, look, just about to go to Target. And you know, I'm gonna try to bring y'all into Target with me, even though you don't post to, I don't know the regulation for videoing while you're in uniform, because we have some people that video stuff as well. So I'm gonna just bring y'all in Target with me. The traffic is bad, but yeah, gonna bring y'all in Target with me and let y'all see what I get and the little things that I think are cute that I may not get at the time. Cause look, see me, I am so like impatient, and I'm, what's the word? Not indecisive. It's the word. I do stuff off impulse. I'm impulsive. So I really just want to get all my furniture, my sofa, my bed, my kitchen table. I want to get the TV stand. I want to get all of that right now, like right now. But I gotta just be patient and take it. I'll probably just do my living room and my bedroom first, and then I'll get my kitchen table, and then I'll do my sunroom when he get closer to coming. You know what? So I'm finna go to Target. I'm finna get all the stuff I gotta get, and I'm also gonna get some bathroom stuff. So I gotta get a kitchen trash can, a bathroom trash can, my bathroom trash can, and I'll probably get like a few plants to make it all, you know, homey and stuff. Fake plants. Because your girl, I do not have a green thumb. So, y'all, I'm just excited. Like, I'm excited. I've been watching hella apartment tours, like unfurnished apartment tours, furnished apartment tours. Like, I've been watching so much, y'all. But I just gotta be patient. I just gotta, y'all, I got my own apartment. Like, what? And my son finna come up here soon too, so shit, like, I'm happy. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get to Target. Bye, y'all. See, y'all, I don't know what bad stuff to get because me and my son gonna share like the tub and stuff. So I want to get something like neutral for him. Can y'all hear me smacking on this gum? See, it's the what is it called? The plunger and the bath, the toilet cleaner. But what should I get? This one. That one's 15. This one is. Should I get a regular trash can? Or should I get this kind of trash can? I gotta pee so bad. I don't know what to get. Y'all, look, I got a bathrobe. And I don't even need this. I think it's a regular robe. I don't know. But, yeah. Bath mat, liner. It says, I hope you brought wine. So I'm gonna do my bathroom gold with touches of gold, and my son and the guest bathroom is gonna be with touches of silver because I want him to be like, oh, that's too girly. So yeah. Okay, see, this is one of the things I like, but I'm not gonna buy because I haven't got my living room together yet. But like this, I want to have this in the living room with a bunch of throw blankets in it. So if people come over, they can just get a blanket when they're cold and stuff. But I should have some bigger ones somewhere. I don't know yet. So, to the kitchen aisle. So I think my kitchen is, I don't know what color my kitchen is gonna be, but I'll probably just get like either this silver one or see, I don't really know. I'll probably get the silver one. Yeah. So this is the door. I got this to go outside. It says, hope you brought wine. Okay. So this will be the living room, the dining room. This washer dryer, water heater. A huge light, so that's good because Virginia is known for not having lights. So that's the hallway. This is the kitchen. So I got a few things today, just like toiletries and stuff like that. This is brand new dishwasher. Nice stoves. I love the white appliances. Yeah, pretty deep sink. Stuff like that. Lots of space. Space down here as well. Deep drawers. So y'all look, I got these plates. These are the bowls right here. I washed them out. Just let them dry. These plates are the same pattern. And guess where they came from? Dollar Tree. But yeah, just more space. Space up here, here, really clean. So earlier I came and it cleaned the whole apartment and stuff like that. This is my linen closet. Lots of space. Then you come here, this is the first bathroom. I got this from Target. This is also from Target. Nice little lights. This trash can's from Target as well. What's this? That's from Dollar Tree, I think. Yeah, this is a tub. I haven't got anything, what is this already? This will be my son's room. It is no light in here. So Virginia is known for not having lights in the bedroom. See my phone light. Yeah, he has a pretty big closet as well. That is more than enough space for him. Come out and then go into my room. I don't have a light either, but it's pretty spacious. So my first piece that I hung up, I have a light in my, the first piece that I hung up is this bathrobe, or I mean a regular robe from Target. You can just tell how fluffy this is. And this is my closet. It's full. That's how far it is. But yeah. And then we come out of the closet and I have a half bath, lots of space. This came from Target. This is so cute, but I can't find this soap anywhere, so yeah. Waterworks. And yeah. Okay, y'all, so I made a little bit of progress. We're washing clothes right now. You know, my own washing dryer, you know. I'm saying like that. You know we got to have a motherfucking toilet tissue. Okay? Okay, I gotta get some more paper towels, but look. First 2 towels. My first 3 washcloths. I'm gonna come back here. Oh, excuse the dress right there. A motherfucking queen size bed. Okay. It's an air mattress, but that's okay, because you gotta start somewhere. Okay. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna cut the vlog off right here. I'm about to go get my case of water from the car and then finish washing clothes. Can you tell how tired I am? Like, and tomorrow I gotta find some hand soap for this, because this is so cute to me. But yeah, I'm excited, y'all. Like, I am. Put y'all. What do YouTube be saying? Let me put y'all down right here. Right. Okay. Okay. Like, I'm so excited. Like, I'm so grateful. This is my own place. Like, look. Wait until I open this door and it's like an actual like bed, dresser, TV. I don't know how I'm gonna set it up yet. I might not even get the TV because I don't know. Okay, just wait, y'all. Just wait. Get my Josh and we're gonna call it a night. Oh, look. The girl got bills now. Let me turn this light off. Oh yeah, I put my tissue down there. Let me turn this light off, okay? So yeah, in here I just have candles. I just have candles and candles. I have this from Target. It's 14-piece set, and it also comes with these few utensils. And then in here I just have these combat killers. Killers from the bears, because the bears usually have fucking, I had like 2 water bugs come in my room and I was scared. I have some bleach from my room, some fabric softener, witch hazel, some Raid, just in case, y'all, because I'm terrified of bugs. Then here, of the dish detergent my mama gave me, some odor block, odor band, odor, whatever that is. Some soap, Tide Pods. I got this broom and dustpan. I showed y'all this already. Just candles. And then I got this dish board. Some toothpaste, some Listerine for both bathrooms. A curtain liner. I mean, a tub liner thing. What is it called? Shower curtain liner. Gotta get the shower curtain. Some floss. You know, just different stuff, y'all. But yeah, I'm about to go get the water. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow or whenever. Like, okay, bye.